Welcome to English Class channel. Today we have baggage versus luggage, house versus home, job versus career, hear versus listen, look versus see. Baggage versus luggage. Baggage and luggage are often used interchangeably, but there are subtle differences. Baggage, this term, generally refers to all of the personal belongings or gear a person is carrying, especially the total of items that might be weighed at an airport. Baggage can also have a figurative meaning, referring to emotional or psychological issues someone may carry. Luggage. This term specifically refers to the bags, suitcases, or cases that people use to carry their belongings while traveling. It's a bit more specific to the containers themselves rather than what's inside. House versus home. House refers to the physical building or structure. Home refers to a place where someone lives with emotional attachment or belonging. Job versus career. Job, a specific position or work someone does, often for income. Career, a long-term professional journey, often involving progress or growth in a field. Hear versus listen. Hear, the physical act of perceiving sound. Listen, actively paying attention to sounds or to someone speaking. Look versus see. Look, directing your eyes toward something intentionally. See, perceiving something with your eyes, often passively or without specific intention. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you definitely enjoyed this one. See you in the next video.